Hey beauties, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 7 good lotions for dark, caramel and chocolate skin people. And I will also share some tips on how to use these lotions to get like a shade lighter. Like if you're dark and you want to get like chocolate, like you don't want to bleach your skin, you just want to lighten up a bit to get like a chocolate skin, or you're chocolate and you want to get like caramel skin. I'm going to share some tips in this video on how to do that. So which means we are going to be doing 2 things in this video. We are going to be sharing 7 lotions for dark, caramel and chocolate skin, and we're also going to share some tips on how to activate these lotions to get like a shade lighter. We are not promising these lotions, just tips on how to use them so that it will brighten and lighten you up. If you are dark and you want to get chocolate, if you are chocolate and you want to get like caramel. So I will share some tips on how to achieve that with these lotions. Okay, if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and as well give this video a thumbs up, and let's see you in the next video. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 7 lotions you can use as a dark, chocolate or caramel skin girl or man. Okay, so the first on my list is Joy Honey and Amol Nourishing Body Lotion. This lotion is a type of advanced moisturizer. The fragrance is a top notch. One of the elements present in this lotion is wheat oil, and wheat oil helps in reducing pimples and acne on the skin. Wheat oil contains some chemicals such as magnesium, potassium and vitamin B6, which are good, which makes our skin healthy and glowing. This lotion obviously contains honey and almond oil. Honey retains moisture to the skin and almond oil relieves dryness. This lotion, in no doubt, gives your skin a very beautiful glow. This is one of the lotions that you should go for if you have dark skin or chocolate skin or caramel skin and you do not want to tamper with your skin color. Okay, if you don't want to tamper with your skin color, please go for this lotion. This is a body rebuilding lotion that will make your skin look rich and healthy. The second lotion I have here is Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Body Lotion. This is another good lotion for dark person. This is not actually other good for chocolate or caramel skin, but if you are dark and you do not want to touch your skin shade, this is a #1 lotion you should go for. This lotion obviously contains cocoa butter and vitamin E. These are things that will help to rebuild and leave your skin supple and soft. It doesn't add any lightening effect to the skin. The rich creamy formula provides long-lasting moisture to the skin. This is another good lotion for a dark person. The third one I have here is Aveeno Active Natural Moisturizing Body Lotion. This is another good lotion for dark chocolate or caramel skin and you do not want to touch your skin shade. This is an option for you. This particular one is dermatologically tested and is clinically proven. This is another good lotion that is made with oatmeal. It has no fragrance, like it's fragrance free. If you have a very sensitive skin, you should consider going with this lotion. It does not contain any harmful ingredients in it. It's very good for sensitive skin and it doesn't bleach. So if you do not want to touch your skin shade, you should go for this. And if you're dark, chocolate or caramel and you do not want to go to another shade, you should consider getting this particular lotion. The fourth lotion I have here is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Body Lotion. The first thing you would notice with this lotion is its heavenly smell. It smells so good. It comes with this pump dispenser bottle. I like the fact that you're not going to dip your hands into it and get your lotion. The lotion has this creamy texture that absorbs so quick into the skin. It doesn't leave any residue on the skin. It's not comedogenic and it smells so amazing. This lotion is another lotion that you should go for if you are dark, caramel or chocolate. This lotion is not going to whiten you up. It also works well in removing marks like wound marks or mosquito bite marks that are not other thick, because it can't remove something like stretch marks. It can only prevent you from getting stretch marks, but if you already have a stretch marks, I think you need to go extra mile. This lotion cannot remove your stretch marks, but will help to prevent stretch marks. I hope I made sense. It tones the skin, brighten and even out your skin tone. This is another lotion you should go for if you are dark, caramel or chocolate. You can use it in the morning and you can use it at night. You can as well use it on your face if you don't have a sensitive face. Okay, so now let's dive into the next one. Another lotion I have here is Amol Herbal Super Whitening Lotion. This is another good lotion for caramel skin, to be specific. This one has a lightening effect, a little bit lightening effect, but it doesn't whiten. Okay, just know the difference. It does not whiten, but it can lighten up your skin without you promixing it. Anyway, it all depends on your skin. Okay, some people will use it and they will say it did not lighten, and some other people will use it, they will get like a shade lighter. This lotion contains bitter oranges, which helps to clear spots and brighten up the skin. Another thing I like about this lotion is the fact that it contains sunblock. It contains SPF, which helps to protect your skin from sunburn. Like, it will prevent you from getting darker under the sun, because we know what sun does. If you walk so much under the sun without a sunscreen, it will make your color very dull. Like, it will darken you. Like, it will darken you, even if you are fair or so. Sun is going to darken you. So if you are someone that exposes your sun so well under the sun, make sure you have a sunscreen. And this lotion already had a sunscreen, though you need to get another one. I hope you understand the sense I want to make. It also contains walnut shell and aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to moisturize, soothe and soften the skin. Walnut shell also gives your skin this rich nourishing. Okay, so this is another good lotion for caramel skin people. Another lotion on my list here is Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant. Cocoa Radiant. Okay, this one is another lotion that is very, very good for dark people. To be specific, if you're dark, this lotion is going to be excellent on your skin. This lotion obviously contains cocoa butter, which will help to heal dryness and glow your skin. You can as well premix it. I'm coming to that area, okay? That's the 3 tips I said I'm going to give to you guys. The last one I have on my list is Palmer Skin Success Feed Milk. This is another Palmer's product and is a top notch. This Palmer's lotion is very good in toning and evening out your skin tone. It also helps in fading dark spots and correcting discoloration. It will as well go a long way in brightening up the skin. It contains sunblock and also contains vitamin C and E. Okay, so this is another good lotion, but I think this one actually contains 2% hydroquinone. If you're using it, use it with a sunscreen, even though it contains a sunscreen, but use it with a sunscreen, okay? These lotions are nice lotions that will help you to maintain your skin color if you're dark, caramel or chocolate, and you do not want to tamper with your skin shade, okay? The tips and how to use these lotions effectively to get like a shade lighter at maximum a shade. If you're dark and you want to get like chocolate, or your chocolate you want to get like caramel skin, that kind of thing, what you do is if you use Vaseline Intensive, Palmer's Cocoa Butter, Nivea Nourishing Cocoa, Joy Honey and Almond, if you use these 4 that I've mentioned, what you need is to use a mild, not strong whitening serum. Use a mild lightening serum. I'll be giving one example here. I'll be giving lighter serum as an example. I've used that serum and it's not too much, like the strength is not too much, but it will give you a shade or even 2 shades depending on the quantity you add. So what you do is to get lighter serum and add a little bit on your lotion. Okay, add it small, do not add it too much because you don't want to bleach your skin. That's not what you want. You just want to get like a shade lighter. I've made a video of whitening serums you can use to premix your lotion. You can go check that video out, or I will leave the link on my comment section. Okay, so light-up serum is one of the serums I mentioned there. I mentioned others, I think it's 3, but I'm just going to mention one serum here, which is light-up serum. You can use light-up serum or one of the 2 remaining serums on that video. All right, and another thing you should do is to get a lightening soap. Okay, if you're using these lotions and you do not want to bleach your skin, just get a lightening soap. I've as well made a video of lightening soap. I've made 15, like they are numerous. We have to choose one lightening soap you can use with this lotions that will help to give you like a shade lighter, and if you are dark you can get like chocolate skin, chocolate color. Okay, so this is the second. And the third tip is you can as well premix it with a tube, a mild tube. Do not use all those strong tubes that will make you white. Just a mild tube. I've as well made tubes you can use to premix your face cream, and I'm working on making another review of tubes you can use to premix your lotions. Okay, so just get a good tube that will not whiten up your skin, but tubes that will just give you like a shade light, a mild tube, a good tube. Okay, so this is going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment on the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.